lion and the mouse. Tell me what happens to the mouse when the lion gets so angry.
Okay. The mouse gets scared because he runs by the lion's nose, and the lion was very angry, and the mouse said,
Salagadoola, meshigaboola, bibbidi bobbidi.
In FAM school, we care about the round 1 tests as important as the other rounds. Here, our teachers are having oral tests in accordance and empathetically we care about pleasure, joy and fun. And we also care about the mentality and the psychological conditions of the students. We think that we deserve to be praised by knowing the result of our previous 2-month lessons.